This is Alexandra Herman, founder of Elaine Maire. I am signing on today to talk you through the process of adding a new product that has selectable options and different variants. I'm starting off on the home page. You also may be starting off from your dashboard. Do make sure you are in your artist dashboard. You could be in customer or artist dashboard. From your artist dashboard, on the left-hand panel, you want to click on this word products. To add a new product, click that button and you will be taken to this screen. You will want to fill out all of this information in detail. If your product has selectable options, you would click this button here. If it does not, then you can keep on filling out the form. But let's go through it and show you some examples of how to properly use this feature. This text box will pop up with a description to explain how to go through this process, but you can also use this video, which you may have found on YouTube, or by clicking on this resource button here. This box is for your option names. Your option names could be a word like size, color, material. You may also find this feature for other options, but size, color, material will probably be the most popular. You only want to enter in one word at a time and hit apply. Let's use t-shirts as an example product. I will have different sizes and different colors, so I've entered in size and color as my option names. This new box has popped up where I can enter in the different options of sizes and color. Again, I only want to type in one word at a time or one description at a time. I do not want to type in small, medium, and large here. I want to only type in one word, such as small. I do not want to yet add in multiple colors. I just want to add in one color. So let's say I have small blue t-shirts. I'd fill out the rest of this form. Make sure I have the correct quantity in stock entered here. And I can do this as many times as I want. This is great if you have multiple items. Maybe I have small blue t-shirts and large blue t-shirts, but different quantities of each. This will keep track in the system as items are purchased by our customers. You can also change up the color, the size, and different variants as you go. This is also helpful because if you have large items, your weight might be different, so that would affect your shipping rates. I also want to show you what not to do. You do not want to type in small blue or medium because this is what you'll start to see. What you want to do is allow the system to have different option names that you can then enter in their descriptions. If you're still having trouble understanding this, please contact us. We have a lovely contact option page where you can fill this out in detail. We'll get back to you as soon as possible and further take you through the steps. I hope this video was helpful. Hope you're having a great time using the Elaine Maire platform. Thank you so much and have a lovely day.